Assalamualaikum, my friends. I'm Ridwan with you today. How are you? I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. This is my brother, Ryan. Today, he's helping me with a second science experiment.
Assalamualaikum everybody. For this science experiment, you will need one Ziploc bag and
3 pencils. Step, I need to fill up this Ziploc bag with water. I need my brother's help. First, next, close the
okay,
there. Next, you have to put the pencil right over this bag.
we have to make sure that nothing is leaking.
Can I go?
Yeah.
One, two, and the last one, 3.
No, it's leaking. Okay.
Good.
And this is our science experiment.
Now, my brother will explain you why the water it's not leaking.
The reason for no water spills out of the Ziploc bags are because they are made of polymer. When you poke a sharp pencil in a bag, the pencil slides in between the chain of the molecules. That what makes up a polymer. Molecule chains make a seal around the pencil. That's why it won't let the water out. If you like this video, please share it to others so that other people can learn from it.
See you next time, inshallah. Allah bless
Thank you all
everyone.
for watching.